So a strong open came up. I went long for the break of high of the day because NVIDIA on the other side was very strong, the semiconductors. So I went long, I added more. I did mess up a little bit here, eventually get back in there, and then we had a really nice squeeze toward 58. I added more. I would like to invite all of our members to join our first ever live trading workshop. It's a full day event in Fort Lauderdale in Florida. We're gonna have live trading with some of very best traders in the community, walking around you, helping you to make the decisions while you are in the trade, while you are practicing to make you a better trader. If you're interested, sign up bearabletraders.com/workshop. We have few spots left, and I'm really looking forward to see as many of our traders in the event. I think it's going to be amazing. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Andrew is here. I had a really good day. Market gap down significantly, 2-3%. I don't know exactly why the market gap up. Just because maybe investors are tired of selling. I don't know. Market is gapping up. The market has already, I think, priced in a recession, heavily recession, but maybe we're not getting there. But my market, it seems that it's in the process of finding the bottom. Like Nasdaq 35%. SPY 25%. It seems that we're trying to really find that bottom. So in a day like this, opening range breakups were the things that we had to do. So Tesla was the really good opening range breakup that I did. Again, as you see, this is my bread and butter trading, and let me see what's the epic pen is doing. So bread and butter trading. So heavy size and 211. Where is epic pen? Where is my epic pen? It's here. So this is the first 1 minute opening range breakup, and then I added more, went up all the way up to 214. That was a really profitable trade. Came back, test my break-even point, and I got it stopped out. And too bad that I got it stopped out, because it's just after that it started running up, and Tesla is trading at 218 right now. Tesla is trading at 218. So that was one of the biggest trades that I had. AMD was another trade that gave me a little bit of a hard time, a little bit of a choppy price action. So a strong open came up. I went long for the break of high of the day because NVIDIA on the other side was very strong, the semiconductors. So I went long, I added more. I did mess up a little bit here, eventually get back in there, and then we had a really nice squeeze toward 58. I added more to see if I get another run up. So that was a really nice trade. I added more, but the ad didn't work out, and I got stopped out here. So the market still is strong. SPY is up 2%, Q is up to 3%, but it looks like by that time it's just kind of lost the momentum. What else we did trade? Apple as well. I did trade one scalp on Apple at 141.63. One of the members mentioned that, just a scalp it, but I got out of it before again the next move. I just didn't have enough buying power to trade that. And one of the biggest regret that I had, again, all of them are the same strategy, opening range breakup. I went long TQQQ heavy size, but the problem with TQQQ that I got cold feet was that TQQQ was really about extended from the VWAP. I went long. I was not expecting this move on TQQQ. I thought that probably gonna test the VWAP and then go up. But anyways, that was a bad situation for me. So I had a really solid day. I had two shorts on Tesla and NVIDIA that I covered early, but NVIDIA was really nice at the open. Very nice 1 minute opening range breakup, 5 minutes opening range breakup. Brian, how was your trading day?
It was pretty good, actually. I took TQQ long when we started to break out. And so I just rode that up, eventually got stopped out when we started getting choppy here. But I traded Tesla with you, and I also took RBLX long at the open, so that was a nice, it was looking really nice when we went into the open. RBLX was up on some news that they had been seeing more users, so it was looking really strong in the pre-market and strong in the going into the open too. So yeah, so that was a good trade. And then yeah, that was missed a nice BA trade, but thankfully Thor took the trade instead, and he had a nice pop on that one. He caught that bottom right at previous day close and then that was, had a really nice run from that. So anyway, yeah, overall, not a bad day. And I think the markets, yeah, I think the markets are up a little bit today. BAC had earnings this morning. They were better than, I guess, what the street had expected. So, and interest rates have dropped a little bit, and the dollar is down quite a bit here today. So I think all of that is helping sort of goose the markets, although we are kind of rolling over here right now. So
Yeah.
anyway, that's it.
Well, see how it goes. I think we're gonna have a couple of more volatile the months. I think
For sure.
November and December is gonna be very, very volatile, a little bit up and down. It doesn't necessarily have to go much lower, but it probably doesn't gonna go higher until the inflation comes under control. There is good chance that there are another increase of 0.75% interest rate, but we'll see how it goes. Definitely, market needs to find a direction after inflation comes under control, which is a worldwide phenomena. So the only one thing that I wanted to mention, that guys, is the Bearable Traders workshop on Florida almost sold out. We were expecting originally like 10, 15, 20 people. Now we have 80 people attendees plus 10 of our moderators, so 90 people. The room maximum is 100, so we can't even have more than 100. So if you guys want to come, trade live, lunch, and then webinars, and after that social and dinner all together. So this is the last 7-8 spots. Actually, there are a couple of spots just came in today. And then a lot of you are asking, okay, what do I need for trading? I mean, if you want a live trading. So I put a link here. I showed my travel setup. I open up all laptops and everything that I'm using when I'm traveling a lot. So you can actually click on that and you can see exactly what you need for a live trading workshop. It's a good to have a portable trading station, the laptop, the screens. You need probably a USB hub as well. So check bearabletraders.com/workshop. I put it link down there for YouTube guys. And if you have any question, just ask in the YouTube comment. If not, just email me, andrew@bearabletraders.com. Looking forward to see 100 people. And if this is successful, we're gonna have it a couple of times a year in different part of the country and potentially the world. And if anyone has any idea, or if anyone wants to help on that, that would be really nice. I purchased moderntradersummit.com, that maybe potentially we can have it as some sort of a modern trader summit thing that is going on. All right, again, looking forward to see guys. Oh, but I am in Orlando November 1st. I have a presentation for Money Show. I was going to fly down to Fort Lauderdale, but one of our traders, he said, oh, I'm in Orlando, I'm going to come to the show, and then after that we drive down together. So if you're in Orlando, I'm going to send an email about the schedule. So it would be nice if you can drive down together, or potentially if you can come and support my Money Show presentation, which I'm going to talk about leverage and how to use leverage in the market. All right, guys, thank you so much. Looking forward to see you in Florida. I'm very, very excited, and have a good day, guys.